Number 12. What did the early nationalists demand for the industrial growth of India? Answer. They demanded industrial growth through trade protection. That means that a heavy tax should be imposed on imported goods and the government should give loans for the development of iron, coal, papers and sugar industry in India. Number 13. Mention any two achievements of the early nationalists. Answer. 1. The early nationalists infused national consciousness among various sections of public life. Number 2. They popularized the ideas of democracy, civil liberty and representative institutions. Number 4. Mention any two shortcomings of the early nationalists. They used their beggarly methods of prayer and petition. Secondly, early nationalists failed to realize any clash of interest between the Indians and English. 15. Name the leaders who was known as the Grand Old Man of India. Dadabhai Naoroji. 16. Mention two contribution of Dadabhai Naoroji to the national movement. Answer. Dadabhai Naoroji founded the East India Association in London. Its main purpose was to foster to the interest and welfare of Indians. Number 2. Dadabhai Naoroji has been ranked as the founder of the Indian National Congress. He was elected President of Indian National Congress thrice in 1886, 1893 and in 1906. He was known as the Grand Old Man of India. Number 17. Who is known as India's unofficial ambassador and why? Dadabhai Naoroji came to be known as India's unofficial ambassador in England. Dadabhai Naoroji was one of the founders of the Indian National Congress, presided over the sessions of the Congress in 1886, 1893 and 1906. His presidency in 1906 was an effort to revive back the lost prestige of Congress owing to the partition of Bengal in 1905. Extremists who otherwise would have liked Tilak to hold the office of president gave way to Dadabhai Naoroji, for he had established a name for himself. 18. What was the drain theory referred to by Dadabhai Naoroji? Answer. Through this theory, he explained how India's wealth was being taken away to England in these forms. A. Salaries and pensions payable to the British officials. B. Dispatch of saving to England by British personnel posted in India. C. Payment to the War Office for the maintenance of British troops in India. D. Profits of the British trading agencies. 19. Who is the author of Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Dadabhai Naoroji is the author of Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. 20. Name the first Indian who passed the Indian Civil Service examination. Surendranath Banerjee. 21. Against which two acts did Surendranath Banerjee start agitations? Answer. License Act, the Arms Act. 22. List briefly any two causes that Gopal Krishna Gokhale supported. Answer. 1. He supported the separation of judiciary from the executive and reform of legislative council. Number 2. He played an important role in passage of Minto Morley reforms. Number 23. How did the early nationalists help in the growth of nationalism in India? ये ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन है, ये शॉर्ट के अंदर ही मैंने दे दिया, ये इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, तो ये आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है और यहाँ पे ये जो सारे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है ख़त्म हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं पूजा के बाद चैप्टर 3 का जो स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन है मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. ये मैंने तैयार मैं कर रही हूँ. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन है तो मैं वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड करूँगी. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. 23. How did the early nationalists help in the growth of nationalism in India? Answer. The early nationalists laid strong foundation for the national movement to achieve freedom. They bound Indians into one single body who were ready for any sacrifice. There rose political awakening in Indians. These early nationalists saved Indians from being slaughtered by the English. Had they not adopted peaceful means of agitation within constitutional limits. Dadabhai Naoroji sacrificed his life, wealth and job for the country. His selfless service filled the heart of Indians. According to Gokhale, if there is the divine in man, it is Dadabhai Naoroji. He demanded Swaraj in 1906 from the platform of Congress in Calcutta. Gopal Krishna Gokhale established a society called Servant of Indian Society. It brought national unity and trained masses to work for the motherland. He criticized the policy of taxing the poor in Indians. S.N. Banerjee, a great patriotic speaker, a journalist and an educationalist, was very much influenced by the British and his rule. He raised his voice for the protection of poor farmers against exploitations by zamindars. इसे मैं हिंदी में समझा दूंगी। मैं उसके ऊपर मेरा एक और वीडियो है, मैं वो अपलोड कर दूंगी यहाँ पे। इस वीडियो में सिर्फ कैसे लिखना है मैं वो आप लोगों को शो कर रही हूँ। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं इसका पूरा मीनिंग आपको समझा दूंगी। ओके, ये एक बार देख लीजिए। ये फर्स्ट पैरा, सेकेंड पैरा। अब ये जो लाइन है, ही डिमांड्स स्वराज, यहाँ से कलकत्ता तक, ये आप सेकेंड पैरा में भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं। मैंने वो रॉन्ग कर दिया है यहाँ तक। ये एक लाइन आप यहाँ पे ऐड करके देन ये सेकेंड थर्ड पैरा कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो। तो ये है, देन ये है।